Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're dealing with this gorgeous unit that was sent to me by YolissaHair. Yeah, this is really blonde. I just literally washed the hair and I conditioned the wig and I just let it air dry. So this is the natural state of the hair. Nothing has been done to the hair, just literally washed and conditioned, and I just added my foundation to the lace, and that's it. So we're just gonna jump straight into the installation real quick, okay? So just slightly hot combing the hair before I start gluing down the wig. I would not be using any glue, or just like hair spray to glue it down, and that. You can use any adhesive or glue of your choice. I would just be using like glue spray, that's what it's called. Just hot combing the hair away from my face. Just gonna go ahead and cut there and cut there. I did not pluck the hairline at all. I did not pluck anything on this wig at all, and it's really decent. I like the way it is looking. I think this side might be a bit lower than my hairline, so we'll just have to pull that forward a bit. But yeah, the hairline is looking nice, to be fair. Not too dense, not too thick.